Back pain can sneak up on you for a variety of reasons. Maybe you've been lifting heavy objects, sitting for extended periods, or dealing with a lot of stress. You might have even slipped or twisted awkwardly during your morning run. Plus, did you know that underlying conditions like herniated discs or arthritis can also cause sudden back pain? Uncomfortable sleeping positions can also put strain on your back over time. And additionally, carrying extra weight, whether from obesity or even just carrying a heavy bag, can put added pressure on your spine. Hormonal changes and physical stress during pregnancy are also frequent culprits for back discomfort. And even mental health factors like anxiety or depression can contribute, as they often lead to muscle tension and physical discomfort in the back. I know it sounds simple, but gentle stretching helps us unwind from our daily routine of sitting too long. Having proper desk ergonomics is key, since most of us sit at our desk or use a computer for up to 6 to 8 hours per day. And eating to maintain a healthy body weight not only takes pressure off your spine, but also reduces the chances of developing a chronic disease like diabetes or heart conditions. Pilates and yoga are great low-impact exercises that can help improve spinal health. And finally, dealing with stress with things such as journaling, meditation, therapy, and engaging in a hobby and getting enough sleep can also reduce back pain.